Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bethan, the Happy Queen, and I'm going to bring you to you all the vibes on beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you how to wing your line. To be able to draw a perfect wing line, apart from your makeup products, you need two things. You need courage and you need a steady hand, because these things can sense here, my sister.
Okay guys, so what I'm going to be using for this is a brow pomade and an angle brush. So I'm basically making sure that my brush is flat enough to give me the definition I want. I'm dipping my angle brush into the brow pomade and cleaning off the excess product at the side of the pot. First things first, I'm trying to push my lashes downward so I don't have lashes on my way when I am drawing. And then I am going ahead with a straight line with short strokes because I want something very neat and I don't want to go over trying to correct errors. Drawing your wing line like this may not necessarily work for people with different eye shapes, especially people with hooded eyes. If your eyes are open and you cannot see your natural crease areas, you have hooded eyes. So what you want to do is draw this line as close to your lash line as possible. If you're a beginner, perfecting a wing line may seem impossible or frustrating, but don't you worry about it. You're gonna get better with practice. So after drawing the line, I am filling in all visible skin from the line right down to my lash line with the brow pomade. Yes, we did it. You want to have your hand crossed like this if you want to comfortably work on the other side of your eye. So you're just going to do the same thing we did on the other eye. Personally, I feel like lining your waterline should be a must because it just gives a damn god look. And you're done. So let me know in the comment section if this was easy enough, if this helped you, and if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.